Hi everybody, for this week video I present you a new yarn that I got from France. It's the mark from Seaman and the name is Party, and there's some sparkle on it, and it's a gift from my mother-in-law. She lives in France. So today I will share with you what I did with this yarn. It's very particular yarn. It's more like a cord. So I decided to do some bracelet with it. It's not with knitting machine this week, but I did that for my little girl friends. So I will prepare the yarn. I find the right tail, so there. So at the end, the yarn was a little bit wow. So we cut this because it divided and it didn't get the way it's supposed to be. So I will do a little knot at the end. We'll twist it 4 times like this and pull and cut the excess. Hope you got a nice weekend. Here is a rainy day. It's kind of boring, so I decided to do something for summer camp time. The friendship bracelet, it's a good item for the kids. So I will go and grab it in the middle. I create like a stitch, but with my finger, without any crochet. If you comfortable to crochet it with a hook, it's up to you, it will work too. But if you're not comfortable with the hook yet, you could use your little finger like this and make some stitch. So I go in the middle and pull, grab it, and it will look like this. It's kind of flew, sorry for that. And pull. Hold it and pull. Pull and pull. It's very easy and not taking a lot of time. You could share that with your kids and share this activity with their friend. When they got it, they get proud and they want to do more. And it takes not that much time. I think it's 10 minutes you did one. So, and you continue like that till they go and fit around like this. And then I will go cut the yarn and keep a little long tail to give me a chance to do the can't remember how I call that. Oh, it will slide. You could open it and close it. It will create like a slide. I better check for the words and come back with it. So it will create a friendship bracelet with adjustable loop. So I've prepared it, and now I will go and create the first loop. Just go around it like this and leave it like this for now, and I will go on the other side, do the exact same thing there, and now I will join it with the little knot, the end one. I will put that inside the loop like this on this side, and this knot, and put that inside the next loop there. I know it's look complicated, but it's not. When you got your little knot going through the loop like this, you will pull and it will create a slide like this. This one is done by itself, and you could go like this to adjust the size of it and pull to put it on. So this is the little quick video for this week. Hope you enjoy it and wish you all a great week, and see you next time for a brand new video. Ciao, ciao.